Yo, 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 what's the dealio, man? Hey, listen, in this video, you already know we got a straight banger for you, all right? Hey, we got a trade of the day for you. I want to talk about a swing trade, all right? I caught this on Sunday, which is why I'm doing this video, all right? I caught this on Sunday on the watch list, all right? Go back to Sunday's live video that I did and then watch that video, and then we gonna go through how I just smacked MU, and we did it in the Discord too, for 30%. All right. So with that being said, if you're watching this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. All right. We got videos coming every single day for you that could change your life. All right. Now, we hit MU, which is Micron Technology. This is one of my stocks for the month. All right. One of my 3 stocks that I'm focusing on for the month. We smacked them for 30%. Some people got 60%. Some people got 50%. 40%. I cashed out at 30%, got out a little bit too early, but it's all good, right? Because I don't complain about how much money I could have made. I focus on how much money I made. All right. And I did it in my smaller account too. All right. So I want to show you this to show you obviously that it's possible, but also I'm going to break down the trade, why I got into this trade, and I was only in this trade for less than 24 hours. All right. So I basically got a 30% return on my money in less than 24 hours. What do I always say? No bank is going to give you that. No bank is going to give you that. All right. I got 30% on my money in literally one day. All right. I'm my own bank. Because I learned how to trade stock options, I'm my own bank. It's possible. It's beyond possible. And this is how we get down. All right. So we're going to go on the charts and I'm going to break this down for you. So let's get it. All right, so first things first, we got my trade Zeller right here, right? Now, as you can see, this is no cap. I only got 2 contracts, okay? I went very light in this position just because how the market is. I was like, man, let me just do this, and then we gonna see, because we could pull back a little bit, and then if we pull back, I was gonna add to the position, all right? So I only got 2 contracts, and the expiration date was right here. May 23rd. All right. So I got the 82 strike price calls, right? 82 strike price calls, May 23rd. All right. I profited $235.32. I invested $766. All right. My P&L shows 238, but fees came out, and so it's 235, and that is a 30% return on my money. All right. So this is everything right here. My average cost on this trade, I got in at 383, and then I sold at 502. All right. And I only had 2 contracts. So imagine if I would have got 10 contracts. Initially, I was going to get about 6 to 8. All right. But what if I got my 10 contracts? This would have been 2K overnight. All right. Now let's go to the charts and let me break it down for you. All right. So let's go to MU. All right. So first off, let me go to the Discord, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm saying. All right. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm saying. All right. Now we're gonna go to watch list. All right. And look, on Sunday I called this. Let's go right here. On Sunday I called it. Boom. All right. On Sunday, what did I say? It's going to come and test 82.74, which is at the 50 EMA. All right. We could go to 85.82 next. Okay. We could go to 85.82 next. All right. And then I signaled this yesterday. All right. I signaled it yesterday. We got a supply zone coming up. We're looking to get in an MU swing and ride it up to $85 to $86. All right. Now, if we go to MU, where is MU at right now? 85.75, and it came all the way up to 85.21. All right. I got in yesterday at 82, about 82.70, 82.60, somewhere around there. Okay, now let's go to the daily time frame and let's go dissect this real quick. All right, look at this. This is my chart. I caught this 2DT. All right, so we in a supply zone. See what I'm saying? We in a supply zone right now. All right. Yesterday, it came up here and it broke right here at this 50 EMA. Donald Trump said he was going to lift the restrictions on chips. All right. This MU is inside of the chip sector. Once I saw this on the 30-minute yesterday, watch this. If you look on a chart yesterday, look what happened yesterday. On the 30-minute, once I saw this candle right here happen, yesterday, okay, and then I saw the news, I immediately signaled it in on the Discord, right? Immediately. So it closed at 82.63. So I actually ended up getting in around like 82.10. Yeah, around here actually. This is when I ended up getting in. So then got in right here. When the day was over, I was already up 8%. So it gapped up. Look, it gapped up. It opened up at 84.27. It went all the way up to 85.28. All right, and then it came down. It hovered around here. Now, look at this. If we go back to the daily time frame, look. This level right here, this 83, 84 level is a level off of the weekly time frame that I have charted out, right? It's a weekly time frame level. So I knew that because if we opened above this level right here and we held it, then we was going to come up here and we was going to fill this gap. All right? We was going to fill this gap. And look, the gap is between 83.35 and 86.70. It opened up at 84.22, which is above the gap level. So it opened up above the weekly support or now support. It opened up above the resistance, which is now support. And it opened up right above the entry to the fill in the gap. All right? And this is the gap right here. And then it came all the way up. So if you go back to look at let's say the 15-minute, right? Say the 15-minute, look at this. It held the level, right? It held the level. It did not break below the level right there, which let me know we're going up. And then look what happened. It ended up blasting off to the upside. All right. All because it literally held the actual level. All right, it held the support level. It went above it. It didn't come below it. It just held it. Because we were holding support, we went up. All right, we went up. I ended up getting out about right here, about 84, about 84.90, 30% trade. If I would have held it a little bit longer, probably could have got about 45, 50%. But it's all good, right? So going back to the daily time frame, I knew that because we were coming up to a supply zone and a gap, right? If we get above here, I'm going to re-enter. But I knew that we could have went to 86.70 because we had a gap right here. We just had this. We had some good news. I was anticipating a gap up, and that's exactly what it did, and then it ran up. All right? And that was it. And we cashed out today. Now, tomorrow, we're going to see what happens. If MU can get above here, above about $86, $87, I will enter into another swing and then ride it back to the upside because it's now going to break above this, and this supply zone will now be the demand zone, letting us know that we broke through the sellers and now buyers are going to push this stock up to the upside. All right. But this was a beautiful swing trade that I took and that I called in the chat right here. And it's all because I was able to understand and learn how these charts really work. All right. Listen, y'all, this stuff can be simple. It can be simple, but it's not always easy. Y'all see what I'm saying? It's simple, but it's not easy. But when you understand how to read the charts and you don't allow yourself to get overwhelmed and scared and fearful about things, you can literally go and print however much money. And like I always say, it's not about the dollar amount, it's about the percentage. No bank on the planet is going to give you a 30% return in less than 24 hours. No bank. I could have went and put $3,000 in this trade. I could have put 1,000. I could have put 5,000. 30% is 30%, right? 30% on 1,000 is 300. 30% on 2,000 is what? 600. 30% on 5,000 is what? 1,500. So when you understand the power of the percentages, you will literally change your life. If you can make 5%, 10% per scalp trade, and then, 15 and 30% every swing trade, you are on your way to being a multimillionaire, and that is a guaranteed fact. Because it's only a matter of time until those percentages add up. All right. So that right there is how we swung MU. And I just showed you on the charts exactly what was going on. If you want to do this and you want to get these calls and get these plays, be sure to click the link in the description and join our Discord, the Prosperity Collective. All right. You're going to get a 7-day free trial to come in and check it out. All right. And then if you don't like it, that's perfectly fine. But I promise you, we can help you change your life and help you get this money. All right. So like I always say, make sure you get out of your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Peace.